Hello students, today we will discuss all of the doubt in inserting image through cell phone. So student, this is your AndWriter HTML editor where we write code. So before that we learn about how to make folder in file manager and copy our image. Okay, so open file manager and here we click on near the search this folder and create new folder. We click on right hand side this three dot and create folder. Now we write name of the folder, that is HTML. Click OK. Now come on that new created folder, that is HTML. Here is this folder. Click on that and make another folder inside that. Okay, how we have to create? We click on this three dot, create folder, and name of this folder images. Okay, now in this images folder we copy 2 or 3 images in this folder. Now come on DCIM and this camera and we copy these 3 images. Okay, and here in internal storage we search our HTML folder and inside HTML images. Okay, we copy here, paste here. And student, here you see the name of the image is very complex. Okay, we have to give short name because if there is any mistake in name of the image, then image will not display in our HTML web page. So we change this name. Select this image and more option and here rename. Suppose we write 1.jpg. Okay, and for second image select that is image, click on more and rename option, and here we write 2. Just like this for third image, select that image, click on more option and here rename and write the name of the image 3. Okay. So student, this way we have to change the name of the image. Now come on our HTML editor, that is AndWriter free HTML editor, and student, here HTML body bg color is equal to red, image src, and already location typed here. We delete this. Okay, delete this path and you see how we have to write here. Click on file manager, go on this folder and our folder HTML. In images, here is your image. Suppose we want to this image display on our HTML web page, so select on that. Okay, in more option here is detail. Okay, and when we click on detail, here is your location, file location. We copy proper way. Okay, copy and we paste here, paste. Okay, 1.jpg. Now student, we save this file, click on save. If you want to change the name, save as and pics.html, and here you give location. Okay, in our folder HTML. Okay, and save. This file will save. Now we want to see preview अगर हम प्रीव्यू देखना चाहते हैं कि कैसा ये जो हमने पेज जो बनाया है कैसा दिखेगा, वी क्लिक ऑन दिस साइन, दिस triangle shape sign, and you see in background image red and here is your image. Okay, height and width given. This is your preview, but how we have to see this in our browser? Okay, we click on this three dot and open in browser. And student, when we run this page, here you see some error that looks like you are using browser that support only manual input of a file address. केवल जो मैनुअल इनपुट होगा वही आपका फाइल एड्रेस जो है ये सपोर्ट करेगा. दैट मीन्स जो कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ आपका इनपुट है ये ब्राउज़र नहीं सपोर्ट कर रहा है. ओके, ओनली मैनुअल इनपुट यानी टाइप किया हुआ ही एड्रेस ये सपोर्ट करेगा गूगल क्रोम. ओके, थ्रू सेल फोन. अदर आपका सॉल्यूशन क्या दे रहा है? यू शुड कॉपी द एड्रेस फ्रॉम द फील्ड बिलो इनटू द एड्रेस बॉक्स ऑफ योर ब्राउज़र. लेकिन दूसरा ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ सॉल्यूशन क्या दे रहा है कि अगर आप चाहते हैं इस फाइल को जो रन कराना तो आप इस लोकेशन, इस पूरे एड्रेस को कॉपी कीजिए, कॉपी एंड ओपन या address box of your browser. This is our browser and here we paste. Okay, now run this. When we click go button, then we see this will run in our web browser. That means we write our HTML document correct way. लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ से जब हम इसको ओपन कर रहे हैं तो ये क्या कह रहा है कि ये जो हमने यहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ है तो ये ब्राउज़र में नहीं शो करेगा. ओपन इन ब्राउज़र कर रहे हैं तो आपका आ रहा है कि जब हम कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को तो ये शो नहीं कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट दिस. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये पूरा एड्रेस राइट करना पड़ेगा, जिससे जब हम यहाँ पे ओपन विथ ब्राउज़र थ्री डॉट से करेंगे तो ये आपका इमेज डिस्प्ले होगा. ओके, so student, this way we have to do image, how to insert image in HTML document. Both process are correct. Okay, but here when we click on open in browser, that only take manual input. लिखा हुआ इनपुट केवल ले रहा है. ठीक है, कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ नहीं. I hope you have